Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about the scholarship has been started till yet. So how in which universities, how many universities they start CSC scholarship. So this is I will tell you about in other way that the universities which now starts admission in 2019. So from January 1st, a lot of university has been started admission. So now I will give you the give you rewind of the universities which started CSC scholarship. So first is the Ansu scholarship for young talents for 2020 for USTC and UCause, and the deadline for this is 31st of March 2020. Okay, master and PhD students can apply, and this is the procedure for this scholarship. You can come here and get the knowledge which you want. Okay, now tell you about Chinese government scholarship CSC. I will give you the overview of all the universities now till admission has been started. So this is the scholarship for Beijing Institute of Technology. The deadline started from admission started from 15th of November, and the deadline is 15th of April 2020. And the students who applied 5 or 10 days ago or before this, so this check your status. They send emails and also change the status who not passed the initial review and who was passed the initial review. So check your status. So these are the things, just online apply, no need to send hard copies. So this is the procedure and these are the required documents. Come here and explore this. Okay, and this is Chinese government scholarship Silk Road program from Tianjin University. This is only for bachelor students. Everything is free, 2500 RMB stipend, and the first round has been completed and the second round has been started from 15th of November 2020 to March 15. So be ready for this. Okay, and these are the procedure, and this is a those who don't know about this that their country, their country is in under belt and road countries or not, then click here and check it. If either your country is in the list, then you will apply for this scholarship. Okay, and these are the required documents and other things. Now came to the next point. Next is Beijing Chinese government scholarship Beijing program, a CSC program, Beijing University for Beijing University of Technology, BJUT, BIT, Beijing Institute of Technology is something else, and this is so the deadline for this scholarship 30th of March 2020. Online apply and send documents to university. Okay, and these are the procedure. Come here and explore it. And other one is that Chinese government scholarship Zhejiang University. Okay, Zhejiang University, one of the top university in China. I think is on third or fourth number in China. And Chinese government scholarship 31st of March 2020. And the main thing for this university is that they prefer those students who are applying for PhD. They not prefer master students, because my friends are studying there. They says that last time they select only 3 to 4 students for masters, and all the other students from PhD. So you can before applying, you can these things keep in mind. Okay, and these are the procedures. You can apply, come here and explore it. And the other one is that Chinese government scholarship Tianjin University, and the first round has been completed, and the second round start from 15th of January to March 15, 2020, and this is the process for applying procedure here. And the other one is Harvard Institute of Technology. This is the deadline has been over, so leave it. If you applying, then check your status daily. Okay, and the other one is the Zhejiang University scholarship. These are the best scholarship if you want to apply. 1700 RMB RMB for masters and 200 RMB for PhD. 31st of March is the last date for this scholarship. Come here and explore the detail of this scholarship. Okay, and now came now talking about Zhangzhou University President Scholarship. They for 15th December for March intake, and the 15th June for September intake is the last date. So come here and explore it. If you want to apply, then apply as soon as possible. This is good opportunity for PhD students. Okay, and now came to the point, and other university, Nanjing University's Chinese government scholarship has been started. If you want to apply, then this is for master students and PhD students, and also for master students and undergraduate students. Undergraduate students only for American candidate. January 1st 2020 to March 15th. So tomorrow, and after 1 day, so application has been started, and March 15th is the last date. If you have acceptance, then apply as soon as possible. These are the procedure. Come here and explore it. Okay, and then now I come to the point. Xi'an University, one of the best and top university in China. For electrical engineering, they prefer electrical engineering, and the electrical engineering is on top. So if you are electrical student, then I suggest you apply in this university, because my my friend is like brother, so studying there. Mr. Naim, he's one of the talented student in our university and get scholarship, and also he's completed his master degree in September 2020. So he got the job now. So he's he's doing good job right now. So I suggest to he's from electrical department. So apply here by 15th November. Admission started from 15th of November, and the last date is 15th of March. Okay, and the next university is Chinese Government Scholarship CSC Scholarship Program, DUT, one of my favorite university, DUT, Delhi University of Technology. Acceptance letter is mandatory for this, and November 1st, 2019 to March 1, 2020 is the last date. If you have acceptance letter, then apply as soon as possible. If you don't have an acceptance letter, come here and apply for acceptance letter. So these are the things. And now come to the Taiwan International Student Scholarship. These are for Taiwan students, for international students. If you want to apply, then apply. 31st of January is the last date. So our main focus is to focus Chinese Government Scholarship and Chinese University. Okay, these are the Chinese Government Scholarship. Harbin Engineering University, Harbin Institute of Technology is different from Harbin Engineering University. Harbin Engineering University, atomic energy programs, and fully funded for PhD students, and the last date is 15th of April 2020, and the application start from January 1st. So be ready for this. If you have acceptance letter, then apply as soon as possible. These are the apply method, and come here and explore it. Okay. Now China Agriculture University, Chinese Government Scholarship, Silk Road Program Scholarship, China Agriculture University, and March 30th 2020 is the last date. This is very I think best opportunity for agriculture students who want to apply for agriculture university, agriculture here. So this is the official advertisement. Come here and explore it. And the Chinese Government Scholarship, China Agriculture Graduate Program, from 15th of March 2020 is the last date. This is another scholarship. So if you want to apply, then come here and see which thing you want. Okay, and now Chinese Government Scholarship, Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication. I upload this 2 weeks ago, and this 15th of November just start admission from 15th of November, and 15th of April is the last date 2020. So these are the things which you want. Okay, come here, and everything which you need you can get from this website, or cscguideofficial.com. Chinese Government Scholarship, Shaanxi Normal University. Okay, if you have this, I think it's very also a good university. It is in Xi'an. I think it's, I am not wrong if I am not wrong. So the last date is 15th of December 2020 to 31st of March 2020 is the last date. Okay, come here and explore it. And the other one is that another one is Northwest University Chinese Government Scholarship. Northwest is also a good opportunity. 31 of 1st March is the 30th March of the 2020 the last date for this scholarship. Come here and explore. And if you want to apply for if you are an undergraduate student, then come here, and Northwest University also announced Silk Road Scholarship for undergraduates. Come here and explore it. Okay, now came to the point. Next point, the Chinese Government Scholarship, Chinese Government Scholarship graduate from graduate program for Beijing University of Aeronautics, BUAA. Okay, and UAA NUA University has also started admission. So I will make a video on this very soon. 29th February 2020 is the last date for this scholarship. If you want to apply, then come here and get everything which you want, and the only CSC form apply, and these are the procedure for the scholarship. Okay, no, the next point is Shandong University Chinese Government Scholarship, Shandong. Shandong University is one of the best university in China. January 15th, they start application from January 15th to 30 1st of March 2020. Okay, and try to get acceptance. If you don't get acceptance, then apply without acceptance letter. And these are the procedure. This is the procedure for this scholarship. Apply as soon as possible here. Okay, and now Shaanxi University. I think in this university mostly students cannot apply because the students do not know about this. So apply here. April 10th is the last date for this scholarship. This is for bachelor, master and PhD students also. So come here and apply. Okay, now came to the next point. NPU President Scholarship here. Northwestern Polytechnical University. The last date for the Northwestern President Scholarship. This is for 1500 for RMB for master, 2000 RMB for master students, and 2500 RMB for PhD students. And the last date for this scholarship is May 15th of May 2020 is the last date for this scholarship. I think is the best opportunity if you have acceptance letter. Acceptance letter is mandatory in this university. IELTS is mandatory in this university. Acceptance letter is not mandatory. If you not have an acceptance letter and you have only IELTS, then you can apply. And for electrical, if you have electrical students and computer science students, and if you have a management student, then I suggest you can apply in this university because they prefer these majors. Okay, these are the best. This is the best opportunity. And the other one is that Chinese government scholarship, Northwestern Polytechnical University. Chinese government scholarship. The previous one is president scholarship, and this is the Chinese government scholarship they offer. And the deadline for this university is the 4th April 15th. For president, they the deadline is 5 April 15th of May, and this is 15th of April. Okay, and these are the procedure. And for this scholarship, IELTS is mandatory. Keep in mind, IELTS is mandatory for this university. Chinese government scholarship, Southwest Jiaotong University. I am one of the best opportunity for those who want to apply online. Do not need to send documents and no application fee. So okay, and they also prefer master and PhD student this year. Last time they select only PhD student but not select any master students for scholarship, but this time I think they prefer master students as well. So 31 of March is the 2020 is the last date for this scholarship. Come here and explore it. So it's the best opportunity for those who do not need to send documents and who don't have an acceptance letter. Okay, now came to the point. Shaanxi, the Belt and Roads International Student Scholarship, NPU. They offer 15,000 RMB per year. They not mention that this is for master or PhD. They just mention that they give scholarship 15,000 RMB per year. So the deadline for this scholarship is same 15th of May. Same for president as like president scholarship. So come here and explore it. Also IELTS is mandatory for this scholarship. So and the next one is the Lanzhou University of Technology. So internet has not been coming here, so that's why this is no internet connection. That's why it's showing. So don't worry about this. You can focus your on main thing. Okay, Chinese government scholarship, Lanzhou University graduate program, 31st of March. 31st of March is the last date for this scholarship. Come here and explore it if you want to apply. Main purpose of this video is that you can know about that, about all the universities in which you get acceptance letter. So try to okay, and now came forward to the next university, and this one is Zhang University, and this is good opportunity, and this scholarship is good for the civil engineering students. If you are a civil engineering student, then must apply in this university. If you have acceptance letter, then I think it's a good chance for you. And because they selected last year 35 students, I think, and all these from civil engineering department, transportation engineering, geotech, and structural engineering, these kind of things. Okay, bridge and tunnel engineering, and these kind. Okay, 31st of March is the last date for this scholarship, and they have they prefer to the I think they no required any fee, and the application fee, by application fee you will pay it when you get the scholarship and when you pass the initial review. So these are the things you keep in mind. And And I also make a video that in on my story that I get the scholarship, but what what we think I face. So I will tell you in my in next video, or on from I will upload video on 25 of January, inshallah. So this is my our website, and if you want to come here and explore yourself the basic procedure right here, if anyone knows from you that how you apply for CSC scholarship, then give the link of the scholarship, so everything and basic steps are available here. So you can come here, and admissions on all this university scholarship and other things, documents, which documents required, document sample, faculty list, and these kind of things also available here. Hope so you like this video. If you want to get a CV format and other things, you can come here and explore it. CSC scholarship documents samples, come here and download everything which you want. Sorry, come here, and list of documents required for CSC scholarship sample. Now we click on scholarship samples. Okay, scholarship sample, we can click here. So I will tell you about CV format, English proficiency certificate, recommendation letters, how you make it recommendation letter, and physical examination form, how you fill it, physical examination form, acceptance letter format here, blank physical examination form here. And inshallah tomorrow I upload the study plan and personal statement format on in this website. So keep connected with us. If you want to get information about the scholarship, come on our website, and don't worry about this, take it easy, just do hard work and believe on God, and I think you will get your target and you get your purpose here. So hope so we met in the next video. Stay connected with us. Take care of you. Allah Hafiz.